Good morning all. In mathematics there are 4 modules are there. So first 2 module is handled by Santosh Kumar sir and the third and fourth module is handled by myself. I am Jasmine Matthew and from Department of Mathematics. In the third module you have the portions of number theory portions mainly, and the first concept is GCD. GCD is the same concept you have studied in school, HCF, the highest common factor. Here the GCD, the term is greatest common divisor. So we have two numbers A and B. It has factors and we can factorize the both numbers A and B, and the greatest common divisor of integers A and B, not both 0, is the which should be positive and is called GCD. Let's start the portion greatest common divisor. So we have a positive integer. Any positive integer can be factor of two positive integers A and B. For example, 2 is a factor of 12. So 12 can be factorized into 2 into 6. Also 6 is a factor of 12. Also 1, 3, 4 are factors of 12. So any number can be factorized into integers, positive integers. So greatest common divisor is the term. The greatest common divisor of two integers A and B, not both 0, is the largest positive integer that divides both A and B. It is denoted by in the parenthesis A, in bracket A comma B. For example, the GCD of 12 and 18, the common divisor is 6. Greatest common divisor is 6. There are common divisors are 2, 1, 3 and 6, and the greatest one is 6. 12, 25, there is no common factor other than 1, so it's 1. 11, 19, GCD is 1. Minus 15, 25, the common factor is, the GCD should be positive, so the value is 5. And for GCD 30, it should here also 3, they should be positive. Now we have studied in schools the prime factorization method and division method. So let's rewind that thing. 24, 60. So we have find the GCD of 24 and 60. So first we have to write it in prime factorization method. So 24, when we divide by 2, this will be 12. Again we divided by 12, this will be 6. Divide by 2, this will be 6. When we divide by 2, this will be 3. So this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we have to write for 60. When we divide 60 by 2, the answer is 30. Again by 2, the answer is 15. Again by 2, the answer is, again we can't divide by 2, we can divide by 3, the answer is 5. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So the common factor is 2 2's and 1 3. So GCD is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. So this is 4 into 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. Now, this is prime factorization method. Now, if we divide 24 and 60, factorization method. If we divide by 2, this is 12. When we divide by 30, this is, when we divide 60 by 2, this is, answer is 30. Again we divide by 2, the answer is 6. When we divide by 30, the answer is 15. Now the common term is 3. So this is 2, this is 5. No more common terms. So GCD of 24 and 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, the common terms. Here no more common terms. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. So in both method GCD is equal to 12. Now the next portion is the relatively prime integers. Two integers a and b are said to be relatively prime if their GCD is 1. That is, for example, here 6 and 35, there is no common term for them, so they are relatively prime. Also 11 and 24, no common terms for 11 and 24, so their GCD is 1. So they are relatively prime integers. Now we have to find GCD using Euclidean algorithm. Now we have used Euclidean algorithm to find GCD. I will show you with an example, the same example that we have used in the earlier 60 and 24. So the biggest number is 60 and the smallest number is 24. So let's divide 60 by 24. So we have 2 times 24 is 48 and the remainder is 12. Again divide 24 by, so the remainder we got this number 24 by 12. So this is 2 times 2 into 12 is equal to 24. So the answer is 0. So in this method GCD is the last non-zero remainder. So the answer is, here this is 0 remainder, before that the remainder is 12. So the answer is 12. Now we have one more steps to be done. We have to write this number 12 as a linear combination of 24 and 60. For that we can write from here. In the first step we got, when we divide 60 by 24 we got 2, that is the answer, and 12 as the remainder. So 2 into 24 plus 12. So 12 is equal to 60 minus 2 into 24. So we wrote 12 as a linear combination of 60 and 24. That is 12 is equal to 60 minus 1 into 60. We could write. So if that is 12 is equal to 1 into 60 minus 2 into 24. So here if we write A is 60 and 24, this alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to minus 2. Now I have given 3 problems. First problem is find the GCD of 26 and 382. So we have to divide the biggest term is 382 by 26. So if we divide by, use calculator, 382 by 26, the answer is 14. So the answer is 14. Now we have to find the remainder. For that, 14 into 26 is equal to 364. So the remainder is 18. Now divide 18 by 26. 26 by 18. This number. So 26 by 18 we got 1. 18. The remainder is 8. Again divide 18 by 8. So the answer is 2. 2 times 8 is 16 and the remainder is 2. Now divide 8 by 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. So the remainder is 0. Therefore, GCD of the first numbers is 26 and 382. 26 and 382 is equal to the last non-zero remainder. Equal to 2. Now we have to express 2 as a linear combination of 26 and 382. So from the first step we have 382 is equal to, from here, 26 into 14 plus 18. 26 into 14 plus 18. In the next step we have 26 is equal to 1 into 18 plus 8. In the next step we have 18 is equal to 2 into 8 plus 2. In the last step, so we got the GCD term, the last non-zero remainder. So from here we have to start. So this is, let's write, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, this is equation 3. The three numbers we required, 382, 26 and 2, that we have to be think in mind. So 2 is equal to 2 from here, from 3. 2 is equal to 18 minus 2 into 8. From 2. So this is, let's write 4. 8 is equal to 26 minus 1 into 18. So in 4 we have to substitute the value of 8 in substitute value of 8 in equation 4. So we got 2 is equal to 18 minus 2 into 8 is 26 minus 1 into 18. That we can simplify as an equation. So this is equal to 18 minus 2 into 26, expanding 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 18, which is equal to 2 is equal to 3 into this 1 into, this is 18 is 1 into 18 plus 2 into 18. This is 3 into 18 minus 2 into 26. Now we have from equation 1, 18 is equal to 382 minus 26 into 14. From equation 1, 18 is equal to 382 minus 14 into 26. This is 5. Now substitute value of 18 in equation 5. We got 2 is equal to 3 into 18 is 382 minus 14 into 26 minus 2 into 26, which is equal to 3 into 382 minus 3 into 14 into 26 minus 2 into 26, which implies 2 is equal to 3 into 382 minus 3 into 14 is 42 into 26 minus 2 into 26, 44 into 26. So this is the linear combination expression of 382 and 26 in terms of GCD. In terms of this is the expression of GCD2 in terms of linear combination of 382 and 26. So this is the expression. Now you do problem 2 and 3. Find the GCD of 858 and 325 using Euclidean algorithm and express it as a linear combination of 858 and 325, and use the Euclidean algorithm to obtain integers x and y such that GCD of 5672 is equal to 56x plus 72y. These two problems as an exercise